Dal Vada King. All road leads to Chandra Mahal in Chandrapur. No, Chandra Mahal is not a palace. It is a popular restaurant in the town. Morning walkers time their walk to arrive at Chandra Mahal at 7:30 in the morning for a beautiful tasty breakfast of idli, vada and dosa followed by piping hot coffee. I went in the evening. The place was getting filled. I was looking for a place to park myself when I noticed this elderly man seated in a corner waving to me. There was an empty chair opposite to him. As I settled down, the friendly elder smiled. Your first visit to our Chandrapur? He asked. I nodded. Let me treat you then. He asked, and before I could stop him, he made a sign, and in one time a plate full of dal vadas arrived. Never on earth you get such crispy, crunchy dal vada, said my talkative friend. And it tastes the same as it used to when I came here as a kid, said Sweet Chandrana. Then an old man of 1880 used to sit at the cash counter. He sat pointing to a black and white photograph hanging above the cash counter. I could see the smiling face with a turban around his head. He wove all these dal vadas to the turban he wore. The talkative man said, You may wonder what was a turban got to do with dal vadas. Let me tell you the full story. I settled down to listen to the story. Yasha's munching a dal vada, saving its taste. Those dal vadas was really good. Even more exciting was the story and talkative man told about Chandrana who invented it. Chandrana and Lakshmana lived in a small hut and the outskirts of the town. Chandrana could do some odd business, and what he earned was barely enough to get some ragi to make ragi muddi. They grew vegetables in the backyard. Husband and wife were devoted to each other and had no complaints. They were satisfied with ragi muddi and some onion and green chilies to go with it. Chandrana had one weakness. He was fond of dal vada which his mother used to make when he was a kid. He had not eaten dal vadas for years. One evening he had such a strong desire to have dal vada, he spoke to his wife Lakshmana about it. Get me some dal and some oil. I will make dal vada for you, she said. Chandrana put on his long coat. He tied a turban around his head with a long white cloth and left with the bag. He went to Ramana's shop and asked the price of cooking oil. On hearing the price, he nodded his disbelieving, saying, Price is too high. As he shook he said furiously. The turban came off and fell into the tin of oil. Oh no, he exclaimed, quickly retrieved the turban soaked in oil. Shopkeeper Ramna often to get the turban wash for him. No, no, said Chandrana, holding the turban. I will change the turban and come, he said, and as he left in a hurry. As soon as he reached the home, he squeezed the oil out of the turban cloth and collect the oil in a vessel. We have enough oil. Where's dal? Asked Lakshmana. In a minute it gets a dal, he said as he wandered the oily turban cloth round his head. Chandrana now went to the women's grocery shop, which was next to Ramayana's shop. He asked the price of dal. When the shopkeeper quoted the price, Chandrana nodded his head in disbelief, saying, price is too high. He shook his fiercely. The turban came off and fell into the sack of dal. Oh no, he exclaimed. The shopkeeper picked up the turban and Chandrana smashed the turban from him and left in a hurry. On reaching home, Chandrana chopped off cloth while and the dal grains stick to the oily cloth came off. We have enough dal, said Lakshmana. Get some fresh onions, a few leaves of mint, and 3 green chilies. Chandrana went to the backyard where the grew vegetables. He plucked fresh onions, washed them, and collected a few mint leaves and some chilies. Lakshmana shopped for the dal and an hour. Chandrana got the dal into the batter to which salt was added. Lakshmana cut the onion and chilies and mint and mixed with them added. Meanwhile, Chandrana had started the fire in the oven and kept oil boiling in a kadai. Lakshmana had small balls of batter, flattened them a bit and dropped them in the boiling oil. A couple of minutes later, she scooped them out and dropped them in a plate. Soon as the plateful of dal vada were ready, Chandrana picked one and bit into it. Then he stopped. Why it has not come out well? Lakshmana asked actually. It's delicious, said. When I packed a few vadas, I went to share it with my friends. He said. Lakshmana picked some of dal vadas and put them in a different box. I will be back in a few minutes, he said to his wife and left. Chandrana went to the grocery shop and offered dal vadas to Ramana and Bhimana. He confused. He had deliberately dropped the turban to collect some oil and dal. They hardly heard them as they were busy munching dal vadas. They found very tasty. Chandrana, why do not you get us a plate of dal vada every day? They asked. Chandrana said he could be happy to do so, but he had no money to pay for grocery. They said he could take the materials from them without payment. Get us a few plates of dal vada instead, they said. That's how Chandrana began to sell dal vadas, which became famous in no time. People turned up in the front of his hunt for dal vadas. He earned enough to open a restaurant which he called Chandra Mahal. Now you know the connection between the dal vadas and the turban. Do not you ask the talkative man. I nodded my head in research As I dropped some notes of Dalvadas, I left a grievous tip, thinking of Tandrayana.